In this video, our technical analysis for the Bitcoin price has played out exactly as predicted. But on top of that, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? And right now, we are also going to dive in with the SLP price action as we want to understand how low are we going to get with the SLP price action. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And take note guys, bukas na natin idodraw yung ating t-shirt giveaway na you can actually find out in the description down below. Kung gusto nyo sumali, you can actually find the link in the description down below. So now, let's dive into the Bitcoin price action and let's understand ano ba yung nangyari dito with the Bitcoin price action. And let's give you a quick recap. So, diba, on our previous video, what we were actually monitoring was the increasing price while the RSI is declining. Kasi diba, sabi ko sa inyo, that is a sign of a bearish trend reversal. Ibig sabihin, bababa yung price. And look at that, guys. Look at this, guys. The price was increasing, the RSI was declining, and look at that. We saw that bearish movement exactly as predicted. So, congratulations, guys, if you have traded that. And then, diba, kagabi, nagbigay tayo ng quick update kasi last night, nakakita tayo ng very quick bullish divergence within the 15-minute time frame. Ayun no. As you can see, yung opposite ng bearish divergence is a bullish divergence wherein the price is declining while the RSI is increasing. In that case, we are going to see a bullish trend reversal for the very short term, which we actually saw play out exactly. So congratulations if you have also traded that. And right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price? So as you can see, if you're going to look at this in the early time frame, you can actually now see that the Bitcoin price is now forming a falling channel. And a falling channel is more likely going to be a continuation pattern to the downside. And usually, this is a swing tradable opportunity which you can actually buy at the support and then sell at the resistance. And if you're going to look at the 15-minute time frame for the very short term, you can actually see na the Bitcoin price is right now forming this declining price while the RSI is increasing, indicating na we are going to see a bullish retracement for the very short term. So right now, this is a bullish indicator right now, a bullish trend reversal indicating within the very short term. So magiging target ito would more likely be the previous resistance, which is around the 43.3K. And then after nyan would be around the 43.5K. But the magiging technical target ito would more likely be around the 43.8K, which is also the resistance nitong ating falling channel. So right now, yung ating i-monitor dito kay Bitcoin price is this itong bullish divergence na nakita natin within the 15-minute time frame. And that is a swing tradable opportunity. And you can actually swing trade within this support and resistance area na nakita natin dito with the Bitcoin price. But, if makita tayo ng breakout dito sa ating falling channel, then ano ba yung magiging movement natin dito? So, if makita tayo ng breakout, then ang magiging target natin dito, first things first, if nagkaroon tayo ng bullish breakout, then our target is going to be the top of the channel, which is around the 44.6K. And this is only going to happen if you are going to see buy volume upon this breakout. And on top of that, ang kailangan natin dito is an early candle close above this resistance in order to confirm that move. But if we break bearish, then our target is more likely going to be by getting the height of this channel and then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. Then we can actually see for this Bitcoin price to go lower up until the 42.2K. But right now, I think we are not going to break that one out kasi look at this, yun nga, meron tayong bullish divergence within the 15-minute time frame which is right now starting to form upon recording this video. So that is for the Bitcoin price for the very short term. But guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, one of the best places to trade it is actually in BingX. And if you want to claim bonus ito kay BingX, just use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. So just to give you a quick update with the Ethereum price action, as you can see, Ethereum is right now forming, ito naman is more of a sideways channel. You could actually say na this could be a sideways channel or similar din a falling channel, but you can actually see na we have that specific support or resistance area forming din dito kay Ethereum. And similar din kay Bitcoin, we are also seeing that bullish divergence forming within the 15-minute time frame wherein the price was declining while the RSI is increasing. That is indicating that we are going to see a bullish trend reversal dito kay Ethereum price action. So that is what we are going to monitor right now within the Ethereum price action. Pretty much the same kay Bitcoin. And now, let's dive into the SLP price action. Kasi look at this. Diba, previously, yung ating previous update natin, diba, sabi ko sa inyo, don't be fooled. Di porket nakakita kayo ng massive pump or bullish retracement within the very short term, especially sa 15-minute or early time frame. Hindi ibig sabihin na nag-bullish retracement to, ibig sabihin magpa-pump yan. Yung ganong mga movements, ito, yung ating bullish divergence within the very short term, ayan no. this declining price while the RSI was increasing, that only indicated a bullish retracement for the very short term lang. Pero if you're going to look at the bigger time frame, which is a 4-hour time frame, meron pa din tayong bearish divergence which we are yet to play. So kung ako sa inyo, huwag kayo masyadong mag-focus sa mga maliliit na time frame kay SLP kasi smaller time frames are very misleading. So if you want to follow SLP, I highly suggest na you look at this in the 4-hour time frame, not the very short term and not the smaller time frame kasi smaller time frames are very misleading. And look at this, guys. Itong bearish divergence, the price is increasing while the RSI is declining. That is going to indicate that we are going to see a bearish trend reversal. And look at this, guys. Right now, we are starting to play that one out. And I think right now, we are starting to break down from this 50 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So, and that is indicating na our next target support dito kay SLP is going to be this orange line, which is around 0.021 cents area dito kay SLP. So right now, I think we can go lower with the SLP price action within this orange trend that you can actually see within the 4-hour time frame. And this is actually a good shorting opportunity if, let's say, you want to short SLP. But take note, you should only be shorting SLP whenever the Bitcoin price is declining. So in that case, if magkaroon tayo na resistance dito, then that could be a shorting opportunity dito kay SLP. So take note, if ma-reject dito si Bitcoin, that is a shorting opportunity for the SLP price action. And on top of that, if you're going to look at this in the daily time frame, look at this. Diba sabi ko, ilang beses ko sa inyo sinasabi na this orange line is going to be a very strong resistance area kasi doon tayo more likely makuha na rejection. And ilang beses ko na sa inyo sinasabi sa mga previous video na that is going to be a very strong resistance, which is actually right now starting to play out exactly. So right now, yun nga, diba sabi ko, we can actually go down to 0.021 cents area. And on top of that, if you're going to look at the 20-day moving average, if sa 4-hour time frame, di ba ganun yung support natin? Pero looking at this in the daily time frame, I think we can even drop lower up until the 0.197 area. So right now, if you want to see SLP flip bullish, we have to break this 100-day moving average in the daily time frame. Kasi di ba sabi ko sa inyo, we are only going to flip bullish if we are going to break these certain resistances. Sa ibang video, sinabi ko sa inyo, if na-break natin yung 50-day, 100-day is the target, and na-meet natin yung 100-day. And right now, we are not breaking the 100 days. So that is right now indicating na our next support area for the SLP price action is within the 20-day and 50-day moving average. So right now, ang aking sentiment dito is SLP will drop lower if Bitcoin is going to get rejected by this resistance area. And as you can see, bearish divergence is still playing out. So I don't think na aakit pa si SLP for the time being. For the time being, this is a shorting opportunity. This is an opportunity for SLP to decline lower. And yeah, right now, hindi siya good buying nor selling opportunity kasi look at the RSI. Typically, ang buying opportunity within any asset, especially SLP, is pag bumagsak yung ating RSI below 30. And look at that. Right now, wala pa tayo below 30. So that is not yet a good buy kay SLP. And then, may mga iba magtatanong kung good selling opportunity din to. I don't think so kasi look at this. Good selling opportunity is whenever the RSI is above 70. And tingnan nyo, wala tayo si 70, so this is not a selling opportunity for the SLP price action. Pero guys, if you want to long or short SLP, one of the only place na you can do that is actually in Bybit. And if you want to claim bonus with Bybit, just use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. So, in muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.